Hello everyone, welcome to Absolute Geography. Here we take your geography understanding from classroom to continents. In this video, we will understand the location and extent of India, which is a very important topic, especially for the classes of ICSE and ISC, since geography of India is the main topic for the entire geography syllabus. So we need to get our basics right. This is what the world looks like on a flat surface. A very familiar picture for most of the people, I hope. 0-degree equator is the line of latitude that is dividing Earth into two hemispheres. 0-degree equator, that is the line, imaginary line moving from east to west. It is dividing Earth into two hemispheres, northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. India completely lies in the northern hemisphere. Then we have the lines of longitude. 0-degree prime meridian is the line which is dividing Earth into western and eastern hemisphere. Together the equator and the prime meridian, these are giving us the four quadrants on the globe. Northwest quadrant, southwest quadrant, northeast quadrant and southeast quadrant. Now, when we are talking about the location of India, it is completely lying in the northeast quadrant of the globe. The extent of India. Extent of any country is marked by the lines of latitude and longitude that are touching the outermost boundary of that country. So for India, when we are talking about India, 68° 7 minutes east longitude is marking the western boundary. You can see the apostrophe here with the 7. That is known as the minute. 68° 7 minute east longitude is marking the western boundary, and 97° 25 minutes east longitude is marking the eastern boundary. Now, because this extent is very large and is giving us the time difference of about 2 hours between the eastern and the western side of India, that is why 82.5° east longitude is marked as the standard meridian of India, so that we can standardize the time across the entire country and there should be no confusion. Talking about the north and south extent of the country, 8° 4 minutes north latitude is marking the southern boundary of our country, and 37° 6 minutes north is marking the northern boundary of our country. There should be noted one thing, that we are here talking about the mainland of India. Okay, only the mainland. These are the boundaries of the mainland of India. When we are talking about the entire country of India, then the southern boundary will be marked by 6° 45 minutes north latitude, as this is the latitude which is passing through Indra Point, which is in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. But in your syllabus, the geography of India, we are only talking about the mainland of India. That is why these are the boundaries which are taken. Now, one latitude is passing through India, which is a very important one, that is 23.5° north latitude, also known as the Tropic of Cancer, and it is very important because this is the latitude which helps us understand the northern and the southern movement of the sun and the changes in the season. Since India is a very vast country, we have many neighbors also. On the west, we have Pakistan, which is the third largest border that we have. Then we have Afghanistan. This is the shortest border, only 80 kilometers. But that too is lying in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir currently. So we do not have any direct border with this country. In the north, we have Nepal, which is acting as a buffer country between India and China. Then we have China, which is the largest neighbor that we have. On the northeast side, we have our smallest neighbor, that is Bhutan. On the eastern side, we have Bangladesh. This is the country which shares longest border with India. And Then we have Myanmar, which is the only country from the Southeast Asia that is sharing border with India. In the south, we have Sri Lanka. We do not have any land border with this country, but we are connected with border through Park Strait. So these are the major countries which are neighboring India. That's all for this lesson on location and extent of India. If you found this video helpful, do subscribe to Absolute Geography for more exam ready lessons. See you in the next video.